Despite the fact that the ocean plays a role in everything from the air we breathe to the daily weather and the climate patterns, we know very little about our ocean. Ocean exploration is about making discoveries, searching for things that are unusual and unexpected. Through ocean exploration, we can establish the baseline information needed to better understand our environmental change.
It was about this time in the late 1860s that the first diving bell was invented, which basically consisted of a barrel that rests on the diver's shoulders and was supported by slings. They were typically made of glass or wood, ultimately proved to be quite ineffective as they can only reach to about 40 meters. This was a start to deep sea exploration. In 1934, the bathysphere was a 4,500-pound hollow steel ball that was lowered on a cord. It had three small portholes in the front, one large hatch in the back, and two oxygen tanks that carried about 8 hours of air. This submersible discovered many deep sea creatures.
Next, in the 1960s, the bathyscite tri-stays was invented. The record distance this submersible traveled was 35,800 feet. Also, its water tanks would allow it to sink to a desired depth when engaged, then rise to the surface when released. This occurred when they filled up the tanks up with the water and released the water. This had many unsuccessful trials. In 1964, the Alvin was first tested and has performed more than 4,000 dives since the vessel can carry 2 scientists, 1 pilot, and can stay underwater for up to 9 hours at 14,800 feet. In ocean exploration, vessels are one of the most important things when it comes to exploring the ocean. Also, there are various types of equipment on board. Research vessels allow the vessel to communicate with the diver and also collect water and ocean information such as animals. In October 1970, NOAA became established. This United States government agency is responsible for all weather and climate forecasting and monitoring. Also, NOAA is responsible for managing marine fisheries and mammals, and also coastal zone management. By using ocean exploration, in 1977, hydrothermal vents are discovered. Red.
Scientists explore the ocean using and developing advanced technology for discoveries including new undersea habitats, communities, species, and to have a better understanding of ecosystems. Marine scientists-led exploration is revealing clues to the origin of life on Earth, potential cures for human diseases, answers to help achieve sustainable use of resources, links to our maritime history, and information to help protect endangered species. Ocean exploration and marine research tracks water quality and nutrient data. Marine scientists are combining this information with other weather and climate data to begin addressing many important questions such as the climate change and effects of human activities on ecosystems and the impact of pollutants on the marine environment. By using deep sea exploration in research vessels, it allows humans to set catch limits on endangered species or popular species that can possibly become endangered throughout time. This is why ocean exploration is important to our Earth. If it wasn't for deep sea exploration, we would not know any of the interesting facts about the ocean. Ocean exploration allows humans to go to depths so deep in the ocean a human would implode without a submersible. A human cannot go to these deep parts of the ocean because there is too much pressure on the human body. Marine scientists use submersibles to explore at the deep depths of the ocean. Lastly, even as the importance of deep areas of the ocean in our everyday lives continues to increase, our knowledge of these areas remains limited when it comes to management, regulation, and resource use in deepwater areas. Throughout the years, deep sea exploration's technology is increasingly allowing humans to discover more creatures in the depths of our ocean.